Hi everyone, this is our trip to Canada. We are at Heathrow Terminal 5. It's Friday the 14th April. Got a flight from Heathrow to Montreal. It's our first sector. This part of the report is going to be the flight from just this bit of the trip, which is from here to Montreal. Took us an hour to reach here. Not too many issues en route, and yeah, it's a grey, gloomy day in London. Nothing new in that. So yeah, the T5 looks like a busy day. It's bank holiday. It's Good Friday today, so probably a Swiss going to Zurich maybe. And yeah, we had some teething issues with checking in online yesterday, but that's all been resolved. Our flight today is going to be a Boeing 787 DreamLiner 77-8. Been on a few DreamLiners 787-8 before on China's southern LAN and Qatar, but this is the first time with BA's 787. So yeah, looking forward to it, and let's go and check in now. Terminal 5 on the bank holiday weekend. Let's see how it is. I wouldn't be surprised if it's busy. Doesn't look too bad. Looks fine. I don't think it's too bad. Check and see where we got to check in. Well, I think backdrop should be anywhere for us. 1740 BCDG. So yeah, it's pretty much anywhere. And drop the bags. Okay, we're going to drop the bags now. I don't think I can print out the boarding pass since we've got to show our visa apparently, so I'm gonna check in now. So that's check-in done. Took 12 minutes. It was fairly long line, but moved quite quickly. No hassle at all. Quick check-in, and yeah, heading towards security right now. I'll switch off the camera. How busy is the security? It's 3 people out of what? Is that busy? Is that not busy? Don't know. Oh, okay, I think it shows that it's equally busy, so it doesn't matter if you go through security north or south. Got it. Okay, so north it is. That's security done. It's fairly quick. 5 minutes, 6 minutes maybe. Yeah, I think for how busy it was, they did a really good job. Very quick. And yeah, we're at Heathrow airside now. It's time now. 3 o'clock, so that's got an hour and a half, I guess. More than that, got 2 hours in fact. Great, so time to shop now. Go downstairs now. Here we are at the main duty-free area. Quite a busy time today. Done the duty-free shopping, now might just go and do a bit of plane spotting. Yeah, let's go have a look and see what kind of shots we're gonna get, what kind of planes, what aircrafts. It's gonna be mainly BA, I guess, since we're in T5. But let's have a look. Let's see if we can spot some rare aircrafts. Few activity going on at T5. There's the This is the DreamLiner ZBJG. Originally we were supposed to go on this aircraft. Came in from Chennai this morning. It looks like it's been substituted to JG instead. Let's see if we can spot JG somewhere there. Which one is that? That is a DreamLiner. I'm not sure which one it is. It's ZBJG. I think it's a G-9 looks like. Is that a -9? I think it's a -9. See another DreamLiner coming. Is this ours? GG, there we go. That's gonna be our flight aircraft to This aircraft wasn't used today. The last flight for this aircraft was yesterday from Cairo, Egypt, and probably parked since yesterday. Bring it out to the gate now. Looks like it's parked at satellite terminal B. It's just over there. It's behind these pillars. Focusing right, that's gate 53, looks like. Looks like we're from gate 53. Heading towards the gate now. It's said to be B39. Don't know why it said 53 outside Aero Bridge, but yeah, it's B39 it seems, so off you go. See you London. See you in 20 days or 18 days. Here we are in satellite terminal 5, satellite B terminals. Heading towards our gate B39. It's much quieter place here. Much more relaxed. Although nothing much to do though. So hopefully flight's on time. Let's have a look. Montreal, go to gate B39. Few close-up shots of British Airways aircrafts from Terminal 5B. This is the DreamLiner 7879, I think. Looks bigger than an 8, so I think this is the 9. I think BA have the DreamLiner motif on the aircraft body. Do they like other aircrafts, like other airlines? Nope, they don't. This definitely is a DreamLiner. Swooping wings. That looks like a 777, and there's ours in the background. You get a better view once we're there. Interesting to see a lot of Delta advertisements in T5. So quite a lot of adverts boasting they've got 9 flights to New York every day, and a few more over here as well. So here we are near our gates, and there's a much better look at our aircraft to Montreal. BA95 departing at 1740, expected to land at 1945 Montreal Canadian time. Well, that's not true. Go a few times in Canada, isn't it? Well, Montreal time. We'll just stick with that for now. So this is a good place to. This is a good viewing gallery area. T5. I was just wondering which is a good area to view aircrafts. This looks like a good place. It's fairly quiet here. Loads of empty seats. Yeah, it's extremely quiet.
Welcome on board. 26B, Mr. Ramaswamy. Just turn right. Hi. Welcome on board. Sorry.
icons. Fuel reading material, safety card,
Okay, fine. ओके ठीक है मैं काम को ईमेल करती हूँ ठीक है और मैं उनको कहती हूँ कि वो आपसे कांटेक्ट करें ओके चलो ओके और आप प्राइवेट इसके लिए पे कर लेंगे 250 प्लस ओके no worries thank you I'll let you know okay thank you
they have some good movies. Interesting selection. Jackie, Lauren. Let's see. 11 movies. I think it's supposed to be good. I'll watch that. Alright, that's a quick demonstration. Oh wait, let's find out. Oh, interesting. Maps. Oh well. Let's do that later.
Close schedule and the extra safety briefings will be given by Martin and the team shortly, so we recommend you pay close attention to that. And just one extra point add to that is that we recommend you have your seatbelt loosely fastened throughout the flight.
4 minutes ahead of schedule and disembarked. It's good timing. This aircraft is so quiet, you can't hear a thing. Just the air conditioning noise.
But when seated facing rearwards in Club World, you must adopt this position. We will now explain how to leave the aircraft in an emergency. Move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. High-heeled shoes must be taken off, as they may tear the evacuation sign. Emergency lighting, including low-level lighting, will help you find your way to the exits. These are clearly signed. There are 2 exits at the rear of the aircraft, and 2 at the front of each cabin section. Your crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. To open the doors, move the handle in the direction of the green arrow. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. The slides can also be inflated by pulling this handle.
You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal items with you, and remember that smoking is not permitted until
Bye-bye now. Goodbye to you. Thank you.
Bye now. Thank you.
Thanks, bye.
Goodbye to you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.
In Montreal, just going to the arrival section. We had a great flight, no turbulence at all, good food, in fact very good food, good drinks, excellent cabin crew. Yeah, it was extremely comfortable. 6.5 hours just flew by. Literally just flew by. It was very good. Great start to our trip so far. So yeah, thank you BA. We are in baggage number 8. At baggage hall now. Migration took a while. We got stuck in a queue where people didn't know what they were doing, so yeah, what's the time? 15, so it's half an hour until here. I see one of our bags already. There we go. Out at 8:22. So heading to our car rental place to collect our car, and that's the first sector of our trip. If you like this bit of trip report, there's more to come. Do subscribe or comment or feedback, please welcome. And yeah, until next time, have a happy and safe flying.